Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best floor chairs is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable pieces of furniture you can add to your living space, offering a unique seating experience that blends the relaxation of lounging with the practicality of a chair, perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to create a cozy reading nook or a comfortable spot for gaming and watching movies. These chairs are designed to provide excellent back support and a comfortable place to sit for extended periods, making them an ideal choice for adults seeking a blend of style, comfort, and functionality in their home. Number 5. Squatty Potty Oslo Folding Bamboo Toilet Stool. Our bodies are designed for efficiency. Using this stool helps you achieve a more natural position for easier and quicker bathroom trips. Doctors recommend this simple tool to help you achieve a better posture. It loosens a key muscle, allowing for a more complete and comfortable experience. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Its portable design makes it perfect for any bathroom or even for travel. By helping you mimic a natural squat, it puts your colon in the ideal position. This can lead to less straining, shorter bathroom times, and a smoother process. Designed for maximum comfort, its 7-inch height is perfect for most users. It's suitable for both adults and children, fitting well with standard toilets. Crafted from sustainable bamboo, this stool is built to last. Its natural brown finish complements any bathroom decor. What we like? This stool is designed to help you achieve a more natural and efficient posture for bowel movements. Its collapsible nature makes it incredibly convenient for storage and travel. If you're looking to improve your digestive health and reduce strain, this is a fantastic option to consider. What people say? The chair is very comfortable and supportive, especially for long periods of sitting. It's easy to adjust the backrest to different angles, which is great for reading or watching TV. The chair is lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the room or take to another location. Number 4. X-Rocker Video Gaming Floor Rocker Chair. Get ready for an unparalleled gaming experience. Our built-in speakers deliver high-quality surround sound with no lag, pulling you right into the action. Find your perfect gaming posture with its unique floor rocker design. It rocks and reclines, ensuring maximum comfort during those long gaming sessions. Connect effortlessly via wireless Bluetooth or a wired connection. Enjoy the freedom of wireless audio for uninterrupted gameplay. This versatile chair is compatible with all your favorite gaming consoles, PCs, and smart devices. Your gaming world is now at your fingertips. Crafted with durable vegan leather and breathable mesh, it's built for hours of high-performance gaming. Experience comfort that lasts. When playtime is over, it easily folds down for compact storage. Its clever design makes it perfect for smaller spaces. What we like? Experience immersive gaming with its integrated sound system and comfortable rocking motion. It connects wirelessly for a clutter-free setup. If you're a gamer seeking enhanced audio and a chair that moves with the action, this is the perfect choice for your setup. What people say? The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long sitting sessions. It's adjustable to multiple positions, allowing for customized comfort whether I'm reading, gaming, or just relaxing. The fabric is soft and breathable, preventing overheating even after hours of use. Number 3. Cansunna Teddy Beanbag Chair. Introducing the Cansunna Beanbag Chair, designed for ultimate comfort and style. Its premium teddy fabric offers a soft, skin-friendly touch with excellent warmth retention. Break free from traditional furniture. This unique, caterpillar-like lounger features a stylish armless design and elegant button detailing, adding a fun element to any space. Experience superior support with high-density memory foam filling that ensures softness and resilience. The anti-slip bottom provides enhanced stability for a secure seating experience. Designed with an ergonomic curve to perfectly fit your body, it offers an exceptional seating experience. Enjoy lounging, gaming, or reading in this chair that feels like a warm embrace. No assembly required. Simply unpack and allow it to expand. It's ready for you to kick back, relax, and enjoy your favorite activities. Perfect for your home, apartment, or gaming venue, this versatile chair is your new favorite spot for watching TV, reading, or simply unwinding. What we like? Sink into ultimate comfort with its plush memory foam and ergonomic design that cradles your body. The luxurious fabric adds a touch of warmth and style, If you desire a cozy, supportive seat for lounging, reading, or gaming, this bean-bag chair offers an exceptional experience. What people say. Feels like an adult chair. I have bounced all over the back, and despite being a foam chair, it is heavy enough not to flip me topside. The base is thick and tall enough to not look like we converted to sipping sake on the floor. No turtle rolling required to get up. No weird smells. Retains its shape. I used to think anything firm was uncomfortable, but just enough density to be supportive yet enjoyable. Number 2. MAXYOYO Floral Beanbag Chair. Experience a unique floral-shaped design that brings softness and stability. Its petal contour creates a rich sense of hierarchy, offering a warm and comfortable leisure corner. Indulge in the ultra-soft and thick faux fur exterior. It enhances the warmth and intimacy of your indoor space, maintaining a fresh and beautiful look. Inside, high-density shredded foam provides excellent elasticity and support. It ensures maximum comfort while maintaining its shape, making it a truly supportive seat. This versatile piece fits seamlessly into any room, from the bedroom to the living room or game room. It's perfect for relaxing, reading, or gaming. No assembly required. It comes pre-filled and compressed. Simply give it a shake and allow about 48 hours to fully rebound to its original shape. What we like. This chair offers a unique, stylish aesthetic with its beautiful floral shape and incredibly soft faux fur. The high-density foam provides excellent support for long relaxation sessions. If you're looking for a statement piece that combines comfort, style, and a cozy atmosphere, this is an ideal addition to your home. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long hours of sitting. It's adjustable to multiple positions, allowing for a customized seating experience. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any home decor. Number 1. Snug Sofee Gray Beanbag Chair. Discover unparalleled comfort with this versatile seating solution. It's perfect for any space, from your living room to your gaming den, offering a delightful experience wherever you place it. Experience the exquisite feel of our premium, skin-friendly fabric. It's not only soft and warm but also water and stain resistant, ensuring lasting quality and comfort. This piece combines vintage charm with modern aesthetics, making it a unique addition to your home. Its relaxed design invites you to unwind in style. Filled with high-density memory foam, it provides soft yet resilient support. Enjoy gentle comfort whether you're gaming, reading, or simply relaxing, bringing peace to your mind and body. Simply unpack and allow it to expand for 24 to 48 hours. You can easily smooth out any wrinkles for a perfect look, ready to provide you with ultimate relaxation. What we like. Enjoy worry-free relaxation with its durable, water-resistant fabric and supportive memory foam. Its classic design fits seamlessly into any decor. If you need a versatile, comfortable, and easy-to-maintain floor chair for various activities like gaming, reading, or just unwinding, this is a practical and stylish selection. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, especially for long periods of sitting. It's easy to adjust the backrest to different angles, which is great for reading or watching TV. The chair is also quite sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when leaning back. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.